Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2021 GMC Sierra 3500 HD Denali. Comes equipped with a 6.6 liter Duramax Turbo Diesel engine paired to a 10-speed automatic Alison transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather, heated and ventilated seats, as well as trailer tow with tow mirrors, power running boards, fuel wheels on Toyo open country all-terrain tires, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all-black interior, paneling, cup holder storage on the bottom, equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. Comes up to power locks, mirrors, and windows with your seat memory and the wood and chrome accents. These black power running boards here. Onto the seats, power adjustable, heated ventilated leather seats with that Denali stitch. Super nice. Left side, you'll have your drive mode selector with your vents and lighting control and heads-up display. Left side is steering wheel, will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel with the Denali badging. And the right side being your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. And you can access all of your vehicle information, including your adaptive cruise there, your gauges, all your fuel info, as well as your audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. It's going to be push to start, classic calm truck shifter. And onto the infotainment, pretty straightforward. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got built-in navigation included. We'll go across, you have Amazon Alexa, downloadable apps, front, rear, and 360-degree camera, and as well as your bed view. You also have Spotify with GMC Maps Plus. Below, you're going to have the dual zone climate controls with the heated ventilated seats. Below that will be your exhaust brake, lane departure warning, hill descent control, power running boards. You're going to have the integrated brake controller next to your dual zone, your two USB ports, 12 volts, and an AC wall port. Below that will be a wireless charging pad with lots of extra storage, and two more USB ports and an SD card reader for the navigation. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable, wood and chrome all the way across, double glove box, speakers, events up top, regular and digital rear view. And then here you can access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, your power rear sliding window, and your power sliding sunroof. So you're getting these 20-inch fuel wheels on Toyo open country all-terrain tires. You're gonna have the Duramax 6.6 liter badging, these big chrome tow mirrors. You're gonna have these chrome keyless entry door handles, side steps. You're gonna have a Rev Industry hard rolling tonneau cover, paint matched corner step bumper, trailer hitch and fifth wheel just under. The GMC Multipro tailgate. You're gonna have two LED lamps as well as an AC wall pulling, as well as 12 bed tie downs at your hitch points. It's a pretty spacious rear. Onto the rear ends here, again more paneling storage next to speakers, power window with the wood and chrome accent. You hop in the back. Lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger driver's side, with rear cup holders, rear ventilation, rear heated seating, and USB ports. You're gonna have a cup holder and armrest right in the center, storage behind the seats, storage under, lamps up top, and handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2021 GMC Sierra 3500 HD Denali. Equipped with the 6.6 liter Duramax Turbo Diesel engine, heated and ventilated seats, wireless charging, Toyo open country all-terrain tires, spray-on bed liner, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.